Graphing in all four quadrants is this next lesson. So here is the steps to graphing points. This should be a brief overview because we talked about it a little bit earlier in the year and you should have saw it in 6th grade. So when you're graphing, step 1 is you want to start at the origin. Remember, the origin is the point where the two axes intersect, and that point is 0, 0. Okay, your step 2 is you're going to move the x-coordinate. So right if it's positive, left if it's negative. Then your third step is move the y-coordinate. Up if it's positive, down if it's negative. And then your last step is to place your point. So that should be a reminder. We covered it earlier in the year and last year. So the x-axis and the y-axis separate the coordinate plane into 4 regions. These regions are called quadrants. Okay, they use Roman numerals to name them. So it kind of goes counterclockwise. Quadrant 1 is up here in the corner. So when we talk about quadrant 1, your x and y are going to be positive, because obviously to the right is positive and up is positive. So if we go over to the left, we have quadrant 2. So quadrant 2, your x is going to be negative and your y is going to be positive, because when you go to the left, it's negative, but these second points you would go up, so that's why your y is positive and your x is negative. Our third one is down in the left-hand corner. Both your x and y are going to be negative, because you're going left is negative and down is negative. And your last quadrant is quadrant 4. So your x is going to be positive and your y is going to be negative, because you're going to the right and then you're going down. So we'll talk about this more in class tomorrow.